Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Sakina. I come from Indramayu, West Java of Indonesia. I was born in Indramayu on 14th of August 1998. I am 26 years old and I am married. I have one child. She is 3 years old. I am number one in my family. My height is 150 cm. My weight is 80 kg. My education senior high school. My religion is Muslim. My husband job is driver. My parent job is farmer. I have working experience in Jakarta for 2 years, since 2022 until 2024. I do take care one children. He is 5 years old. I do general, house mop, sweeping, ironing, cleaning, marketing, cooking. I can cook Indonesia food, chapchai, fried rice, fried chicken. I can take care of children, help bath, prepare uniform, bring go to school. I can do wheeling, handle, cut and cook, but I cannot because I am Muslim. I am promised finish my contract. I want to work in Singapore because I want to earn money for my future and my family. Introduce finish. Thank you. I hope to see you in Singapore. Bye bye.